Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com, and today I want to take a little break from watches and talk about maybe a little business stuff. I want to discuss YouTube and how you can use YouTube to make money. And I think it's a very important topic for people who are just starting out, people who are just starting a business, just starting on YouTube, whatever it may be, to understand how this animal works. And I think how you can use it to with the greatest chance of being more successful than you might think you can be. So YouTube, I make money off of YouTube. Absolutely. YouTube, Google, parent company, pays me a check every month based on the monetization that you see before this video, after this video, whatever it may be. There's ads and they pay me. Roughly, it depends on the content. $1 to $3 per every 1,000 views is kind of what you make. So you start aggregating a lot of videos, it becomes an appreciable amount of money. Certainly not enough for me to provide for a family of 5 people, but it makes a nice little Easter egg. For people that are YouTube celebrities, big time, the ones in the tens of millions of views within like a week of a video coming out, obviously for them, they're making buckets of change, and that's how YouTube works for them. But I think for a majority of us, myself included, even with whatever I've got, however many, 100,000 and 120,000 subscribers, whatever, the real moneymaker is exactly what I'm doing right now, conveying information, talking to you. Whether you have a brand, the Islander brand or the Island Watch brand, as it were, I'm conveying that to you every week a couple of times, showing you new product, and that's driving business or traffic to my website, and that's how you purchase, and that's how I make my money. So I think, like I said, I think people make money off of YouTube 2 different ways: directly, which is that monthly check, which some people totally blow it out the box, and they're doing great. But then there's that other category. I think 99% of YouTubers fall into that aren't personal. I'm talking about businesses. I think the real power of this thing in front of me, this camera and YouTube, is that it all is just one big commercial, and I'm building a brand for free. This occurred to me back in September when I released the Islander to what I consider an amazing success. I sold 400 pieces in like 2 days or something, or 3 days. I thought that was amazing, and I realized all this time that I've been running the business and running the channel, I've been building this base of customers, this base of followers and viewers that are loyal to the brand, and I super appreciate it. Without YouTube, I don't think I would be able to conjure up the amount of following that I have. So I like to say I did it backwards. A lot of brands, it doesn't have to be in wristwatches, it could be in any industry. They release their product and then try to build their following. I guess I did it backwards. I built a brand for 17 years and then eventually released, a watch with the brand on it. So the success simply followed. I think a mistake a lot of people make is they release it and then they expect to do the marketing in parallel. Again, for me, it just worked. Again, I feel like I did it backwards to what most people do. It's been successful. But I think a lot of it has to do with what I'm doing right now and being on YouTube and garnering that following. So if I were to leave you with, just a couple pieces of advice, if you think you're going to be that YouTube guy or girl with, 10 million subs and making buckets and buckets of change, I hope you do it. More power to you. There are a lot of people that are successful in that, but it's almost like sports where so few get to that point where it's just, a complete moneymaker and game changer. I think that a lot of us are more in my realm where you can use YouTube to build your business, grow your business, sell to your clientele, sell yourself. That's basically what I'm doing out here whenever you watch. I'm selling myself. What you see is what you get. I think I'll wrap it there. It's Mark from LongIslandWatch.com. Not selling you a watch today, but if you want to go and buy one, you're more than welcome to. You can like the video if you enjoyed it. Put your thoughts and comments below. What do you think? What do you think about what I said? Am I on target? Am I off my rocker? I don't know. I just thought it would be a fun video to do and kind of share my thoughts. Have a great day. Bye-bye.